All right, folks, how you doing today? Greg here from affiliatemarketingbiz.com and many other sites. Today, I'm going to take a look at free affiliate marketing tools. These are great. I use these every day. One of the reasons I mentioned in my article, 18 reasons why affiliate marketing is the best and easiest way to start making money online, is because you can start for free and you don't need any money down. Of course, you can upgrade your business once you get things rolling, and it kind of pays for itself. But anyways, let's begin here. I'm going to do a quick overview of these from the blog post, and then I'll go into a little more in depth about each one. Also, to find the links to all these services, just click on the link in the description of this video, and it'll take you to this blog post. I'll be updating it from time to time as well, because I like to use different things, and I try things out, and then I like them, whatever, so on and so forth. So anyways, let's take a look at the blog post, and I'm just going to go over these really quick. First, free training and marketing. It's kind of a review of the video. Free affiliate marketing training and a social network of affiliate like-minded people. A huge community of people. This is one of the things, free services you can start with. Free market training, there we go. I'll go over this in a second. Level 1 certification, level 1, 10 lesson curriculum, wealthy affiliate. 100% free. Then you get the Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp as well, 100% free. A no spam social network. It's a huge community of like-minded people. So some writing tools, Grammarly, WordPress, and hosting, site Rubix, another great free tool. We'll go into in depth in a second here. Site content, this is part of WA's platform with writing and grammar check as well. Grammarly is a spell check kind of thing. So then we have the free hosting, as I mentioned, the site Rubix. You can get a free website. You can just put your name in there, build it, whatever. Some keyword research tools. Answer the Public is awesome. Jaxi is awesome. Jaxi, you get 30 free searches. Check them out right from the post. Couple other tools, all-in-one SEO plugin. We'll go into that in a second. Canva, which I use for all my graphics and stuff like that. And a proofreader that I use on my Mac. I just have everything read back to me from my Mac. I just type the key commands in and it reads it back to me. So that way it's a little proofreader, you can hear it, whatever. So let's take a look at some of these. This is Canva. You just sign up for a free account. You create your YouTube thumbnail, Pinterest, YouTube channel work, Twitter post. Pretty much anything that you could think of is in here, even SoundCloud and stuff like that. And you could use your own dimensions, business cards. Basically, just start with a blank Canva and, put some text in, some images. You can upload your own images. There is a paid service too. I only use the free one, but there is paid for some of the images. But you can see these ones are free. So if you want to start with this template, or whatever, you could add, like I said, you could add your own photos. It's very easy to design stuff in here. So anyways, let's move along here to the next cool free service. And then you just download this stuff, Grammarly, I purposely misspelled these words. So let's say, hey, and then comma, Grammarly. Another cool thing about Grammarly here is you can take certain words and you can change the words, kind of like a thesaurus. If you want to change some stuff, just double click on it. So that's pretty cool. And you can save all this stuff on the web. Basically, it's a cloud-based thing here. There's also plugin extensions for your web browsers, Safari, Firefox, and so on. And there's actually apps too for Mac. I don't use it. I downloaded it, but I don't really use it. I just do the web-based. Everything's saved in my thing. You have titles for the thing, and then the paid version has a plagiarism checker and all that kind of stuff. I don't use it, but and then human proofreader. There's other things to the paid version, but I just use the free version. And keeping with the theme of this post, free tools, that's all I use. So next one is the all-in-one SEO pack. Now this is great for your website. This is a WordPress plugin. WordPress is the other free service that I use. It's open source web design. 30% of the web actually runs on it. Really easy to install WordPress. In fact, my other video I show in 30 seconds, I install it to a website, and the service I'll get to in a second can do it for you real quick as well, free. But the all one SEO pack here. This is just a site I built real quick for a demo. You just activate it, and this is great for putting in things you want your site to say, for the descriptions, for your SEO stuff. Google Webmaster Tools, which is another free service. Bing Webmaster Center, Webmaster Tools they call them as well, another free service. And you would put your codes in here. This way your sites get ranked in Google and stuff a lot quicker, and they're authorized and all that stuff, and all kind of good stuff like that. Plus you can make, let's see here, the feature manager. You want to activate the sitemap. You definitely want a sitemap for your sites, and some of these other things here. I won't go into everything. But basically your sitemap here is going to be also what's read by the Google and so forth. And it's just a file that looks like so. There'll be a lot more content on here once your site starts building up. And this way helps with ranking in Google and Bing and all those other places as well. So that's another free service. Answer the public. This is awesome because you get to, this is keyword research related. Let's type in one of these suggestions. Let's just do Xbox because that's the one here. You type in Xbox. You find out what people are searching for within search engines like Google and Bing and stuff like that. And the reason this is important is you want to find what people are looking for, and that way you can write your content around it. Let's give it a second here. So here's all these questions people are asking about Xbox. Zoom in a little bit. Why Xbox Live Gold? Why? These are all why ones, and there's a how Xbox. There's just so many. And you can do this on any topic, not just Xbox. And then there's even for, near, with, to, all kinds of stuff. And then they even have a list of stuff. Xbox YouTube, Xbox in review. So this is great for finding keywords. Then the next thing I would do is go into my Jaxi here, which is again, you get 30 free searches for this, and you get a free account if you're a wealthy affiliate member, which I'll go into in a second. But this is where I take my keyword research even further and find out how many people are searching for it, and if I could really rank. Like for now, I'm just going to do how to find keywords. This is not going to be a great keyword. It's too broad, because here's how many people are searching for it. This is monthly. Here's how much traffic you can get from it, and this is going to be a lot probably. Quoted results over 200, and basically you want to do, and these are things people are searching for: how to, potty train, whatever, how to detox, whatever. Then you want to search the quoted results here, and this will tell you. See, it's poor. You want to find a lower number here, less than 100, and that way you get what's called a low-hanging fruit, and that's how you write your blog titles. So, I'm just going to go through this briefly here, so I'm not going to go through too much depth, because my next kind of things coming up here in a second. A service that I use as free training will show you how to do all this stuff to make sense of it. Jaxi's a lot more stuff in here. Jaxi, I'm not going to go into everything, but the site Rubix is free web hosting. You get 2 free websites to start. These are subdomains on the site Rubix platform. In fact, my site here, the copy was built on that. That's just a test site I built. But you just choose your name, and you're in to go. You're ready to go. In fact, if you're on my blog post, click the link in the description. There's a little thing here. Actually, there's Jaxi. You can do your keyword research from there. And I also have a web sign up. Where's the thing at? There it is. There's a little widget there to sign up for the site Rubix as well. So that's another free service. And this one, there's a ton of ones I have listed in here, because this is the big one for me. This is Wealthy Affiliate. You can start for free. You get the training, online certification, level 1, getting started. And you get these 10 free lessons, and this will get your website up and running. And this uses a lot of the products I mentioned, the all-in-one SEO, the site rubrics. It's actually built on the site rubrics. The Jaxi is in here as well. In fact, there's a little research thing here. Here's Jaxi. And so you get the level 1 certification, and then more training, which is the affiliate bootcamp, which is this course right here. And these will take you a while. This is good. So, because like I said, it's free. You sign up. It's so easy to sign up. You just use a username, password. You don't have to put any credit card information in. No free trial, none of that nonsense. You just sign up and you're ready to go. Create a profile. Like here's my profile. Just add a photo, a little bio. You even have a blog here that I use, and I could make trainings here, but that's other stuff. So what else is free in here? Well, the site content, which is really cool, which is mentioned in the blog post. This is another writing tool. I can start with a blank. You get a blank template, or you can start with a template. You can make templates for your blogs. This also has free images in here. Let's go do a test. I'm not going to publish this, but blah, 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 blah. Let's say we want to add a photo. You can search for whatever, help, or let's just do money. Or you can upload manually as well, of course, but these are all 100% free photos you could use. Choose that one. Crop it, whatever you want to do. I'll see with that. Wait for now. You could put a link in here to another site or whatever, or you could just save and insert it into your post, and there you go. You could also put it on the left or the right, or whatever. I'm just doing this for quick demo purposes. But there's billions of free images, maybe not billions, but millions, or who knows, a lot. So that's another thing here, and it has a grammar checker as well. And then when you publish this, you just publish this to your WordPress website. What else did I mention in here? Let's see. Free tools, answer the public Jaxi, all in one web, SEO, Canva. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. There's some other stuff, Pretty Link, Instagram and stuff like that, Instagram tools. So basically, I would sign up right away for the free membership at Wealthy Affiliate here. Like I said, there's no credit card needed or anything like that. You jump right into here. You're going to start with your training, build your website. That's really quick. You just use a website builder here. There's a site manager. Then you have your domain names if you want to purchase the domain name. This is the writing platform. Also, another cool thing about Wealthy Affiliate, if you upgrade to the premium members, you get site feedback and the comment system thing here. There's a whole other thing of what's included in premium versus the free membership. But you do get a lot with the free membership. A lot. So I would definitely check it out. I'm not going to go through all this stuff here. That's another video, another post. But anyways, that's all for now. Like I said, check the post. The blog post is right here. Just in the link in the description. Look around. There's links to all the other services I mentioned, or you just go all in one. Pretty much, not all of them, but most of them in one. You click on here. You'll be greeted to a screen like so. There's me. And then you put your name in, enter, and your stuff, and then create your free account, and you're ready to go. You'll get most of those things right in one place. So cool. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.